Hi! In this lesson we'll start working on the wet asphalt material. I copied it to a different scene with a simple skylight, so it will render faster. I also have some boxes so we can see how the reflections looks with lighting as well as with a solid object. I will use these textures from Polygon as a base. I will put the link below the video. You can also go with the free option. I will start by adding a simple material with some glossy reflections. Then, let's add the map texture and plug it to the diffuse slot, just to set up the scale of the texture. I will tick Use Real World Scale and adjust the size. Then click on the texture and click Show All Additional Parameters and expand them. Then add a linear float controller and plug it to the U and the V tiling slots. This way, we can control the size for all the maps at once. Then let's add a normal texture and plug it to the bump slot. And this is a texture from Polygon. We have to check Flip Green and add Gamma to input options. Let's see how it looks rendered. I will show you why we had to use the Flip Green option. After the bump is set up, copy the texture and replace it with the displacement texture. Adjust the minimum and maximum levels. I will adjust the glossiness levels a bit. I am not a fan of this displacement texture. I will duplicate it and load the gloss texture, then I will use it as a displacement. Obviously, it doesn't look good yet. Let me show you how to fix it. First, let's invert the colors. Much better, but it's way too strong. Let's mix the displacement and gloss texture together. Use the overlay mode, then adjust the displacement minimum and maximum levels. Finally, let's adjust the mix amount to make it more subtle. I will also use a modifier to be able to control the displacement from outside the material editor. The comp texture unfortunately doesn't have the overlay option. In this case, we can use the standard composite texture though. Plug the gloss map to the first slot, so the bottom layer. Add another layer and plug the displacement map there. Using the opacity of the first layer, we can control the mix amount similarly like we did with the Corona mix map. That's it for now. See you in the next lesson.